To begin your journey to healthier hair, gather your ingredients. Fresh rosemary, a carrier oil such as olive or coconut oil, and a clean jar. First, wash the rosemary thoroughly to eliminate any dirt or impurities. Once cleaned, gently pat it dry with a towel to retain its natural resins and oils. Next, finely chop the rosemary to release its essential oils effectively, enhancing the infusion process. Place the chopped rosemary into your jar, creating a fragrant base for your oil. As you pour your chosen carrier oil over the herbs, ensure that the rosemary is entirely submerged to maximize the infusion's potency. Seal the jar tightly, creating an airtight environment that will help preserve the oils during the infusion process. Now find a warm and sunny spot in your home to place the jar, allowing the sunlight to activate the rosemary's beneficial properties. Let it sit undisturbed for about 2 weeks, ensuring that you shake the jar gently every few days to redistribute the contents and promote an even infusion. At the end of this period, you will be ready to extract the rich and aromatic essence of rosemary from your oil. After the 2 weeks have passed, it's time to strain the oil and reveal your beautifully infused rosemary oil. Using a fine mesh strainer or cheesecloth, carefully pour the mixture to remove any remaining rosemary pieces, leaving behind a fragrant and nourishing oil. Collect this precious liquid in a clean bottle for easy application. Now it's the perfect moment to enjoy the benefits of your hard work. When ready to use, apply a few drops of the infused oil directly onto your scalp, massaging it in gently to stimulate circulation. This not only enhances absorption but also revitalizes your hair from the roots. For an added boost, consider working the oil through the lengths of your hair as well. This will enhance the shine and strength of your strands, making them look vibrant and healthy. The nourishment from the rosemary-infused oil deeply penetrates the hair shaft, helping to improve overall texture and reduce dryness. In conclusion, incorporating rosemary-infused hair oil into your routine is a simple yet effective way to achieve healthier, more vibrant hair. Embrace the nourishing power of nature and enjoy the transformation it brings to your locks. Remember, consistency is key in your journey towards beautiful hair.